I want to make this promise today that I will make one video every day for the next 1000 days. This is a challenge I am giving myself, and I invite you into the challenge. Walk with me this journey, and I believe that this will be so. I am giving myself a very interesting challenge. I am an educator, and I want to make 1000 video tutorials in secondary physics for the next 1000 days. I am inspired, I must say, by a YouTuber, a successful businessman who made 1000 videos in 1000 days. I will make 1000 videos in 1000 days. Join me on this journey as I make 1000 videos in 1000 days. Today is on Thursday, 25th July 2024. Mark today's date. In 1000 days, I want to have 1000 physics video tutorials. Please refer your friends, your siblings, your sons, your daughters to this channel for high quality physics tutorials. This is the first video. I am remaining with 999 videos in the coming 999 days. Let me start working on the other videos. Thank you.